What's up, guys? This is the 1-8 power by 24 Strike Eagle from Vortex, and we installed a cantilever mount, and it's the 2-inch offset, and then the measurement is 1.59, I believe, from scope mount to center line. This is plenty enough good for me. I feel comfortable when bringing the gun up. Now, Unity does make a 2-inch riser, but I don't feel comfortable with that one. This one is better for my size. I'm not a huge guy. Anyways, so it's CM-202. And the instruction says to do 16 inch-pounds on the scope rings. I looked online as well, and they say you can do 16 to 18. So I did 18. And the base screws are 20 inch-pounds. Here's some of the instructions on the back. All right. So what I used is this paper. I made sure it was nice and flat, and then I did a fold over once, and then I made sure that the bottom was tightened, at least just 2 screws tightened up so that the mount is squared and even. And then once I did that, I took the scope rings off without the scope on there, and I used my phone. You can actually use your measurement app, and if your phone case is flat, then you can use your phone case and set it on there on level. You got to make sure that the surface that you're doing this off of is level. But once you choose that space on the halfway, the half moon shape, level, good, then you throw the scope in there, choose your eye relief, forward to backwards. I just chose to do center because it just works out for me, and it looks good too. And then I put these scope rings on after I made sure that it is level on the top of the screw here. And then we did cross. This is a Grownier screwdriver torque wrench for inch-pounds and some other units and stuff. Very nice to have for many applications, but especially doing gun stuff, it's nice to have something that's going to be accurate. They do have a cheaper version that's like $35, but this is like $59 or something like that. So for almost twice the price, but you get digital, which is a little bit more precise, and you have more options to use it for. So I recommend getting this, and it's on Amazon. And then we just go crisscross, and we do like 5, then 10, then you work your way up to 18, and I just go back and forth between these two. And then I made sure that we were at 18. So for example, I'm at 18 right now. We got our Torx bit on there, and I go at 18, and then you just do it cross. Do not use any Loctite. It acts as a lubricant, just like head studs in a block, like an engine. You don't want to use any lubricants because it will throw off the torque. And these shouldn't come off anyways based on the pressure that you're adding on. I forget exactly how much torque is actually on these bolts, but it's quite a bit. So it's plenty enough to stay on there, and if you do have to after shooting, go ahead and just check it again, and then you won't have to worry about it. So that's how you do this, making your mount level and installing your Strike Eagle. Thanks guys for watching. Peace out.